Hello and welcome. The Cordon Bleu chef Pennington here in Austin, Texas with Butter-n-Thyme. What you can expect from Butter-n-Thyme is fun, creative recipes made easy. That is the complete goal here, is to make a video, show you exactly how to do it from beginning to end, try to make it as quick as possible without wasting any of your time. One of my true goals was I didn't want to make annoying videos. I think some of the videos out there are just a little too busy and they don't really give you the information that you need. That's something you will get from me. I'm just full of information, little bitty tidbits. I'll give you a quick one here, it's pretty cool. Garlic. Did you know that when you prepare your garlic, if you cut up garlic and just put it into your food instantly, then the health benefits of garlic are pretty much null and void. There's a little bit, but what happens if you cut up your garlic and put it on your cutting board and you let it be exposed to air for about 7 to 8 minutes? What's gonna happen? It's 6 to 8 minutes. What's gonna happen is there's two phytochemicals called allicin and allium that develop. They're not there if you don't let that one little thing happen. That's just an example of the type of facts that I love to give in all the videos, and think of me as your chef. I'm here for you, to help you, and do anything I can to help you. If this is your first time visiting us, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell so you know when we post new content, and let's get started, y'all.